Alright. Yeah, the grass is high as shit.
Yeah, it's high as hell over there.
That's how long it's been. Down to a 25.
Damn, and it's still doing that? That was nice. Oh.
My last one finally
God damn it. I ain't got no. Oh, that was nice. Yeah, you faster than me. Ain't that crazy?
No, but what's crazy is I got it on 75 right now, and look.
Oh! Arrma tough. I'm gonna go all the way out there. Whoa. Seriously? You got to be kidding me. I stay on my back.
I hope you caught that.
I was gonna say the same thing. For some odd reason, it seemed like you moving a little faster than me, man.
I upped the punch level.
Go ahead, go. Oh! Laid on your, oh shit. The Outcast 4S beat the Machete. And the Machete got mad and flipped it like, yeah, I'm jealous.
Oh, that's your lane.
That thing is a beast. No,
So
no, no,
catch.
no. Yo, the 4S Outcast and Crichton, man, them things is indestructible. Almost. Fuck. God damn it.
It landed.
There you go. Bent the wing. Let me see what I did to this wing. Yeah, uprooted the screw. Go ahead. That still was nice though.
Yeah, but not the way it should be hitting that backflip.
Yeah, right.
Battery's getting low.
That's what it is. Mine's is low.
I still can look and still hit it.
This mother. All right, cool.
Nice landing, nice recovery.
All right. All right. I had to stop throttling. I seen that motherfucker about to lose. Let not say that. Boom. Right. I'm gonna catch this jump. I didn't catch the last one. That thing was perfect. This is my last jump. Battery came loose. Oh. I could do that. Let's see. We got the Notorious and the Crichton V5. Them things is tearing it up.
Damn, man, he did his thing with that 1 million in the back and the 1 million
Yeah,
in the
that
center.
thing is.
Look.
Yeah, that thing, man.
Nah, he did it right, man.
Yeah, he did. He definitely did.
Coming right at you.
Gear done. That sound like the motor mount. Ah. Notorious is down. Look at this beast.
Imagine if I would have threw the black flips on here.
Yeah. What you got? What gearing you got in there?